Hello everybody, it's the Master Sage, well, cartoon version of Master Sage here. Today we're going to talk about topic sentences, in particular some advice on writing really great topic sentences. So first let's talk a little bit about what a topic sentence is. I'm sure you mostly know what a topic sentence is, but let's really dive right into the anatomy of a topic sentence. A topic sentence is a sentence that states the main idea of the paragraph. Now, as you know, a main idea is a topic plus a point. It's your argument about the subject you're discussing. Now, because this sentence states the main idea of the paragraph, when we're creating topic sentences, we want to be general enough that the sentence covers everything we're going to include, but specific enough that it actually helps us understand the paragraph and only points to that paragraph and not others in the paper. To help us accomplish this goal, it's helpful to write our topic sentence with both a topic and a point. Now, generally speaking, the topic points to the evidence or the subject matter that you will be examining or using to prove your mini argument or point. For example, if my topic sentence was, Jones's use of short sentences creates a sense of urgency. In this case, the topic and therefore what the paragraph will focus on is short sentences. Since short sentences is my topic, all of my evidence, in other words, the quotes I include, will be short sentences. My point, on the other hand, about these short sentences is that they create a sense of urgency. So in this paragraph, I will discuss how the author's use of short sentences makes people feel this need to act right now. Okay, when you're writing a topic sentence, here's a couple of suggestions. First, make sure you make them as detailed as you can. For instance, if I wrote Jones's diction is persuasive, that's pretty vague, and worse, there probably will be other areas of the text where I explain how the author's word choice is persuasive. In other words, I'm not going to be pointing to my specific paragraph. I want my topic sentence to only point to that paragraph. I also want a topic sentence that really captures the specific idea of the paragraph. In this way, think back to our video where I talk about the lowest common denominator. Tip number 2, state both the topic and the point. A bad topic sentence might be something like, Jones uses a lot of short sentences in her essay. That is not a good topic sentence because you haven't stated your point, or what you want us to believe about her use of short sentences. Remember that the topic sentence should state something that's debatable and that needs to be proven, something you'll spend the rest of the paragraph defending. Point number 3, add the topic sentence near the beginning of your paragraph. The topic sentence is supposed to help keep the reader on track and help guide them so they can better understand your argument and ideas. Although writers sometimes write topic sentences near the end of paragraphs, in thesis or claim-driven writing, which is what we're doing, we want those arguments to be center stage so as to avoid confusion. So include it right there up in the top to keep your reader focused on what you're exactly arguing and to keep you organized as well. The fourth and last piece of advice I give you is to be flexible and courageous. You do not have to write your paper in a particular order, and most of what you write on an initial draft should not be kept. You could start with a topic sentence, or write it after you've already written part of the paragraph. Or you might write a whole paragraph and realize that you have a much better idea and start over with a new topic sentence. In fact, there are actually advantages to writing your topic sentences last. For one, most writers use the writing process to come up with ideas or deepen existing ones. In other words, we might not know our opinion or stance right away. Secondly, it's nice to write your topic sentence and make sure it matches what you wrote. However, there is a downfall to this approach. If you don't begin with a topic sentence when you're writing, you might be all over the place, and you won't have that topic sentence to guide you and keep you focused and organized. I mean, that's okay. It just means you'll have more work later on to try to reorganize and reshuffle ideas that don't belong. This is why writers, and me included, I like to write a fake topic sentence, kind of like a placeholder, that keeps me focused, but I inevitably always change it in some way because my idea just gets better as I write and come up with ideas. I just can't anticipate the ideal right at the beginning, but I just want to have something to keep me somewhat focused. So my point is, be flexible, and revising really is the key to success. Well, anyway, that's all the advice I have, so good luck writing those topic sentences.